Good morning, this is Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and here we have available for sale a lightly used 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This has the light gray hull with light gray underside of the hardtop painted. It's been outfitted with twin Mercury 225 horsepower engines. It's the max horsepower of 450 on this boat combined. It only has 127 hours on it. This boat is an excellent setup for fishing. We've got two 30-gallon live wells, fish box storage port and starboard, easy access to the bilge, rod storage or boat hook storage on the gunnels, fresh raw water outputs. We've got tackle storage and storage drawers in the leaning post. We've also got the transom fold-out seat. At the helm, we've got a 12-inch Raymarine display, Raymarine VHF radio, Mercury's vessel view, trim tabs, the premium Fusion radio stereo system upgrade, a glove box at the helm, and also a glove box and soft storage above in the hardtop. I think it goes without saying that the Boston Whaler 250 Outrage is an excellent fishing boat, and maybe you haven't seen the setup on the bow with the comfort cushion insert and the bow sunshade. This is great if you want to do multitasking of fishing for part of the day and then lounging and bringing out the family and staying out of the sun at the end of the day. That insert is removable. There's a bow table that goes at the front underneath in this section here. So you can pop that up and have room for seating of 4 or 5 up front at the bow table. Armrests at the front of the helm lounge, and also a fish box underneath the cushion. One of my favorite parts of the 250 Outrage is the full windshield with the vent visor on the front. If it's hot and sticky and not a lot of breeze going, you can just crack that open and have some breeze in your face. This boat does have a pump out head system. There's your battery switches, breaker, the head unit, and also a freshwater wand, so it's a wet head. Dedicated storage for the bow table and bow table arm. That does not move around at all. It's very solid. And in case you are keeping this boat in the water at a slip, it does have the battery charger. It's a great sized boat. It handles rough water, blue water, and with 20 inches of draft, you can get into shallow places. And with 388-mile range, this is an awesome boat for Long Island Sound, doing trips from Stamford to Block Island or going out to Sag Harbor, or even up to Newport or Cape Cod. Great boat here, excellent condition, low hours, and it's here at our docks in MarineMax, Westbrook, Connecticut. Thanks for watching.